The front air vents on your Hyundai can be moved to adjust the direction of airflow. They can also be individually closed. Depending on your Hyundai model, the vents will close in one of two different ways. For some models, all front vents are closed by sliding to the left. For other models, front vents are closed by sliding them away from the seat occupant. Outside vents slide toward the door to close, while the central vents slide toward the middle of the vehicle to close. If your vehicle has circular vents, those will close by rotating them toward the door. When the line is vertical, the vent is open. When the line is horizontal, the vent is closed. Most vehicles will show the direction to close on the vent itself, making it easy to know how to close them. And there'll be an audible click when the vent closes. On vehicles equipped with rear air vents, the vents can be closed by moving them in the same direction as the front vents. And if your vehicle has roof-mounted vents, see the Using the Overhead Vents video for information on these. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.